How to use the blade tool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project timeline where you want to make cuts or edits. Make sure you are in the edit page. The blade tool is essential for splitting clips into smaller segments, allowing precise control over your video editing. To activate the blade tool, you can either click the razor icon from the toolbar above the timeline or simply press the shortcut key B on your keyboard. Once selected, your cursor changes to a razor blade icon. Next, move your cursor to the point in the timeline where you want to cut the clip. Click once on the clip and it will split exactly at that position. You can repeat this process multiple times to break your clip into as many parts as you need. If you want to switch back to the normal selection tool, just press A on your keyboard or click the arrow icon. This allows you to select, move, or delete the newly cut clips easily. Another useful tip is that the blade tool works not only on the video clips but also on audio tracks, giving you more flexibility when editing sound alongside your visuals. You can also zoom in on the timeline for more accurate cuts, especially when working with fast action or detailed scenes. Just use the zoom slider above the timeline or scroll your mouse wheel while holding the Alt key. Remember that after cutting, you can rearrange or delete the segments freely to create smooth transitions or remove unwanted parts. And that's it. Now you know how to use the blade tool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.